Is this place Kenya? Is this place Mombasa? Right now we are in a beautiful area and I'm gonna show you around this beautiful area. Before I tell you which part of Kenya is this, please leave a comment. Maybe your guess is the right one. That's nice. Okay guys, I don't know who is that person. Vipi? Nauzwa ama? Samaki gani?
Godari.
Ati nini?
Godari.
Igari.
Godari.
Sei kama hii ni pesa ngapi? 2,000. But inakaa kubwa. Mimi najua tu tafi na una. Oh. Nakaa poa lakini. As you can see guys, I've just joined the linked road which is in Nyali, Mombasa, Kenya, and I've always wanted to walk along this road but always inside a car. Today I just decided to walk along this road and showcase you how beautiful this place is. Are you seeing how beautiful this area is? So classic. The apartments are so beautiful. The road is so classic. No pothole, no bumps. By the way, guys, if you can see, they don't have a lot of bumps because there is roundabout supplementing the bumps. Yep. So while I was walking, I just found somebody selling this crepes. They are cassava crepes and they are so sweet and very spicy. Let me show you one. So spicy. Of this beautiful area, man. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up or a like or whatever you know, and don't forget to comment. I know the sun is behind me or blah blah, but goodbye. Catch you in my next video.